Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, for the first you have to go for the settings, then click on the connections, turn on the Bluetooth and enter it. Right now our smartphone is looking for other devices, so for example we can connect to my Huawei P30 Pro, and all you have to do is just to click on the connect to let them pair. And as you can see, here is the pair device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.